delinquency, all-time high. The average person already behind on what?
Now, what is
savings have been depleted by how much? 40%.
Now, I haven't gotten into S&P 500 yet, but I saw something that might just interest everybody.
Banks are doing what? Increasing rates at which it costs you to loan money.
What's actually happening is, what's actually playing here is this. Okay, this is actually what's in play. Okay, so technically it was still bullish, but
jobs not doing what? Jobs not matching what? The economy. Why you think so many people on strike right now? They're like, nah, bro, we working too much. We need some more money.
Which is here.
Okay, what's another stat we said? We said what? 40% of Americans now work what? 2 full-time jobs. We just said this stat a couple weeks ago.
Forex, that's why I said get the Forex Mastery Program. You know all this stuff.
But it also
Crisis.
some of the islands are overcrowded.
Exactly.
Is there
The writing on the wall.
Thank you for asking this question.
Yeah, we invested. Yeah, we playing an options game. Yeah, we playing a buy and hold game. We trying to make money in crisis. But the liquidity that you have.
At the interest of a very rapid growth. So that's why I'm
However,
focusing on
it is
sustainable growth. That's why I will always push for quality over quantity. Very strict in terms of standards. We are
Crisis mode, nobody can save you but you. If you're not spending money on an asset, if you're not spending money on information, I'm going to just keep it all the way 100 with you and hold that.
However, 60-40 is fine. Now, the question is, how do I increase the probabilities for me?
Hold that bread.
I'm
about to tell y'all something to be real dope.
Especially
I told my people this.
I need to see this.
I'm not buying another pair of shoes. Nothing. I got enough stuff already.
This is Dave right here. I'm Katie Google. Listen to the stories that set your agenda.
Why? From the U.S. markets close.
A lot of this wasn't priced into the U.S. session.
To the overnight session in Asia. We'll walk you through what you need to know to kickstart the European trading day. Live from our European headquarters.
All them people we be going to spend money with,
market moving stories.
I'm not the one that talks to you about doing it. Guess what? They were billion.
Tune in every weekday at 6 a.m. London time.
Crisis mode.
Bloomberg Television. One of the
Put
biggest
yourself in situations. Put yourself in. Give yourself the opportunity to win this game.
Great question. That's the question I get all
Give yourself the opportunity to be in position. I ain't saying don't buy it at all. I'm saying wait till we get out of this.
What's good, trappers, man? It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Right now, I want to invite you to an amazing experience full of value. That is my community, Trappers Anonymous, 100% the greatest fundamental investing community on the market. Your portfolio should be a masterpiece. And the only way we get you there is we help you learn how to invest confidently. Now listen, you get it. Like, don't know a lot about stocks or
U.S. oil.
Heard people say how much money they lost in stocks.
German Vice Chancellor and economist Robert Habit, they're speaking exclusively to Bloomberg's Anna Edwards. Let's stick with the conversation around Europe's biggest economy. We dive into today's Bloomberg's Big Take. It is on the rise of Germany's far-right AfD party targeting frustrated voters amid a persistent economic slump and a surge in immigration. Joining me now to unpack all of this is the authors of today's Big Take story. Chris Ryder joins me from Berlin. Chris, good morning. Walk us through what the German political landscape looks like right now.
I will see you in one of our classes.
As you mentioned, the rise of is part of the other part is the decline in mainstream politics, like everything electoral to social democrats. And that fragmentation comes out of the series of crises that Germany is facing. You mentioned the energy crisis is one. Habeck talked about that as well. And efforts to stem sort of that crisis is also reached.
Listen, man, we're selling powder, gold, completely wrong. Johnson & Johnson, $365 billion company,
And in general, there's a lot of massive changes going on. There's economic malaise happening. It just comes on the heels of COVID. So German voters are feel very stressed.
The third time they're considering bankruptcy.
There's more and more people.
But B, why are they considering bankruptcy, B? Well, let's talk about it. They considering bankruptcy because as of right now, they've already caused.
Where does Olaf Scholz fit
So long
into
story
all
short,
of
we
this?
have
I mean, his
$3
economic and fiscal
in
policies,
damages.
are they good enough here when it comes to holding off this AFD offensive?
$2.8 billion lawsuit. they gotta.
For many voters, he has very low approval.
They've already paid
He's seen as kind of disconnected from the average German, from the problems that
so they're gonna try to file bankruptcy this third time. The bankruptcy is gonna allow them to do what?
And he's ruling over a coalition that's
bankruptcy is gonna allow them to do.
It's racked by infighting and bickering. I mean, he has
gonna allow them to
three
not
parties,
pay.
which is in his coalition. There's the Social Democrats, the Greens, and the FDP.
They're just trying to use the game.
Eye to eye on a lot of issues, and so a lot of these
bankruptcy, they won't file bankruptcy. They're like, nah, we not.
Further undermines the Schultz and the government's ability to operate.
We're not paying another $2.8 billion.
And that's a problem, given where Germany is right now.
50,000 more claims is out there.
Is this something that might spread to the broader continent when you talk about what kind of precedent
from when
Germany
they intentionally gave people cancer?
Yeah, well, like as Germany gets, the risk is that as Germany's political fragmentation and
intentionally
less
gave
and less
people
predictable in how it's going to act, and then that you have populism spreading anyways, across the continent. And but Germany, because of its position, obviously its role as an economic powerhouse and its role as a political leader, if it can't maintain that role, it risks undermining the EU itself. And the AFD's policies are definitely directed towards weakening the EU, weakening Brussels. That's a risk, for the region. It's a risk for stability, like what happens in Ukraine. There's like all these crises that Germany really is playing a role on, and that as the political environment fragments, it gets more and more difficult for Germany to take a role here, and that has ripple effects, much farther.
Once there's a crisis,
Bloomberg's Chris Ryder joining us from Berlin. We thank you so much for breaking it all down. Of course, you can read the Bloomberg Big Take, which he helped write on Bloomberg.com.
Lisa hit him with a big gun.
However,
and we plan on selling 2 billion
very quickly, I want to talk about some of the movers that we are seeing. Of course, the two major corporate stories right here in Europe are Telecom Italia and Ryanair. Two different stories.
We expect to sell 2 billion chips next year, and we also expect
to deal with KKR under scrutiny, and as well Ryanair higher by 6% after its first ever dividend of about 400 million.
Lisa said we slinging chips, family.
Bitcoin,
and we got dip.
BTC.
We got the chips.
BTC has broken down,
and the dip. So here's my idea for that as well.
BTC, once we clear 35K, next level target will be 45K. We've broken down.
Nvidia is up on the 21st.
Bitcoin might be on his next leg to the upside,
on the 21st.
But this is a higher low from here. From the
how
higher
we
time,
expect
we might be doing it madness.
how we expect
BTC is finally broken down. Looking promising. Maybe
interested to know that. The reason why I'm interested to know that is because here's what we do know. There isn't everything Nvidia has, they sell it. And they're selling like hot. But I'm not really showing the idea that they're not even selling. China's made up 20% of what they did.
Simple, straightforward.
Right?
All you
Only
need to do
20%
is
of what they did.
know
So,
this. Once the trading opportunity presents itself, yeah, so market needs to adjust itself.
Nvidia does.
We'll let you know when I'm coming now, bro.
Back here again next week. I'm finally back on YouTube, back in front of my subscribers, back in front of
I'm
my.
alright. How are you doing? Alright. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? Alright. Welcome to the November Masterclass, like episode 2 of November Masterclass. In this chart, we can just get started. We have no time to waste. So gold, like up to now, still waiting for this. If we can continue for buying, we are waiting for the market to break above this counter trend line and break the fake out, which is this. But it failed to continue going up, so it started coming down, push up, consolidation. So like up to now, the market is consolidating. It's a sideways movement. So we are still waiting for the market to see the next decide zone. As you can see, like the market tried to break above this of my major level, but it did not break the fake out. So that's why I did not buy. And we see the market like continue coming down. So maybe the market did not finish consolidation. We have to wait for the market to finish consolidation and give us confirmation for where we are going next before I give you guys signal, right? On NZD, JPY, I think that's our next pair. That's our next pair. All right. This is the last trade we lost. I hit my SL in NZD, JPY, but you can see when I try to use Fibonacci, I get entry around here. So I take a buy. All right, I think this is where I take the buy. 88.542. So this is where I take my buy on NZD, JPY, and take my first level target of profit around here, my second level target of profit around here, and the third level target of profit around the major level. So let me explain to you guys how I get this. Like, this is the minor level, right? So when the market break above my minor level, it failed to go down. So I set for buy. And when I come back for retracement, retest the level and come back, break the break, fake out, which is here. This is where the candlestick close. So this is where I take my buy, and all the way to the upside, I make profit. So simple and straightforward. GBP card, I think that's our next pair. GBP card is still going. It's still going. I take my first level target of profit around here on GBP card, and then we expect the market to continue pushing to the upside all the way to the next major level before we try and do something in this market. What next? AUD USD. All right. I analyzed this yesterday. With my VIP student. Like, I showed them how to analyze the AUD USD market, and then that's where we got our last signal. We see the market like break this minor level lower and go back for retracement. So if we come back and break this, I'm selling. I'm going to give you guys signal for sell. All right. So stay tuned in the Telegram channel so that if I give you guys signal, you'll get it. All right. So what pair are we going to like analyze next? What pair? Euro USD. I think. Let's see Euro USD. Let me delete everything on Euro USD so that we can begin to analyze the market. Sorry guys, the week just come back, so let's start with monthly as we always do. If you're analyzing top-down analysis, I always tell you guys to start with monthly time frame, scale down to weekly, daily, and H4. So that's how we do this. All right. So as you can see, like, the market is trending down, and we can see like when the market come to those major levels, so it's tried to respect the level here too, but it didn't. So it failed to go. It continued pushing to the downside all the way, like from here all the way to here, and the market tried to reject above, going back for retracement. So we all know that monthly time frame is for candlestick pattern, and we always use monthly time frame to identify the candlestick pattern, to know like what is the current month is doing, what is the current price action in that way. So as you can see, this current price action is bullish, but we can see a rejection to the downside lower, and we can see a retracement of bullish candlestick. So you can see so many rejections around here. So maybe this rejection is going to respect those levels and start pushing up. So that's why we see the rejection. So we may expect this candlestick to continue going up. So current month is bullish, but overall price action, like the market is rejecting to the downside. Maybe this might be a retracement for this breakout and continue pushing down, or maybe this would respect those levels and continue pushing up. So anyway, if we scale down to the weekly, we can try and plot our major level to help us identify this market more and more. Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Can we see this? Pretty clear. Pretty good. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. I think I will only use this current region because that's where we are. So that's where we can use, right? So now let me take the box that I always use for my major level and throw it. Wow, my network is bad. Sorry, guys. All right, this is weekly time frame. We use weekly time frame to plot our major level. Remember this always. We use weekly time frame to plot our major levels. All right, so now I got one major level. Then I should clone it and see where the next one. I can see one around here. All right, and also clone this again. And I can see this around here. All right. So now I got three major levels, right? Three major levels. Clone again. You can see another rejections around here. All right. We can do like this so that we can see it very clear. All right. Let me show you guys this. All right. Let's start from here. Like, all right. Let's start from this. We need to identify the previous, like all the moves that happened in the previous. You see the breakout to the downside, the retracement to the upside, and then the breaking, the breakout, which is here. So maybe we may expect to sell around here, and all the way to here we take profit. When we break this minor level, we go back for retracement, retested it again before continue coming to the downside. And if we break the first breakout, which is the breakout, which is around here, we will have sell and take our profit all the way to here. So simple and straightforward. I always tell you guys this, like this thing that you can see. All right. So all right, I need to adjust it a little bit. so that it will respect the future. All right. So also the same thing happened. Tested the level, break above, come back for retracement and break all the way to the upside to here. So when it tested this, it tried to break lower, but it didn't. Then it continued pushing to the upside. So like the market is not consistent. That's why you do not see the retest and break. Oh, in the downtrend, like when you scale down to daily OH4, you can find the retracement and the fake out, whatever you're looking, right? So then the market, all the time we know that if the market is going up or down, it's not just going like this. Like it has to be doing this consolidation before going, right? So as you can see, when the market hit this major level, break lower, go back for retracement, like a little range in, and finally break it. So we sell, we take profit all the way to here, right? And when we come here, we break above also, we come back for retracement, we break below, we come back for retracement, we come back here, like finally break the fake out, and we take the sell, we make profit all the way to here. So simple and straightforward, right? So simple and straightforward. So now let's take a look at the current monthly time frame. All right. So let's try to identify the current region, like the current price action. So this is major level. This is one of our major level, and this is the market comeback, break our major level lower, right? Go back for retracement, come back and break the fake out. You sell and you take profit all the way to here, right? So also the same thing happened here. Go back for retracement. When it break lower, I know, like if you can see the market is trending down. So that's why when we come here, we try to like break lower. So we expect the market to continue pushing as it do. But as you can see, sorry guys. Okay, can you guys hear me? People are distracting me here. So when the market try to break lower, like it consolidate a little bit, so come back to here and break below. So it go back for retracement, but the retracement is just a little bit. We expect to buy, but the market when the market come back to retest the level, so it tried to go and break the fake out, but it didn't. It fell to continue pushing to the downside. So we use this as our sell, and we continue pushing to the downside all the way to this. So when we hit this major level, the market break above, come back for retracement, go back a little bit. Sorry. All right. So you see the first breakout, you see the retracement, and this is the breaking of the fake out. You see, you break the first breakout. Like this is the first breakout after the market test our major level. This is the first candlestick that closed above it. So we are going long, right? We need to wait for what? Retracement, which is this to the downside. And then what? breaking this breakout, the first breakout. And as you can see, this candlestick break the first breakout. So we said buy around here, all the way to here, we make money. So simple and straightforward. We break a little bit. Can you see this a little bit breakout and come back for the retracement? This red candlestick break the first breakout with this candlestick, and all the way to here we make profit, right? If we scale down to daily, we can use those places as our minor level, right? So simple and straightforward. Like up to now, the market is consolidating and moving around. We don't know either it's going to continue pushing to the downside, or maybe we are going back for long. We can see that in the future. All right. So let's scale down to daily. This is daily. Wow. Daily time frame. How are you doing daily? How was your day daily? All right. So simple and straightforward. I always tell you guys to believe this, that it's very simple and straightforward. You just need to dedicate yourself and do it. So this is our minor level. You can also use it. You don't need something big, just a little bit, so that you get all the levels, all the rejection zones. If you want to know how I do this, get my course. Join Blueprint and start printing your own blueprint of success. All right. All right. Anyway, we can see if this market is going to respect this or break into the upside. Anyway, I'm going to give you guys signal in the free Telegram channel. Once I got the confirmation for the signal, you know, as I always do, I just need this break and retest, then break. You see, so simple and straightforward. Break and retest, then break. You see, it's going so simple and straightforward. If you want to do this, you check out the description. You can find out the link to get started and joining my own blueprint of success. All right. And then you can find out the recommending broker link below the description. Also, you can find out the details how to join the masterclass for free and grow your $100 capital to over $1,000. All right. So goodbye.